Best Traxxas RC Cars. The demand for high-quality Traxxas RC cars has surged as hobbyists and enthusiasts look for vehicles that combine durability, speed, and performance. Whether for casual fun, competitive racing, or rugged off-road adventures, these cars deliver impressive engineering and reliability. This guide evaluates the best Traxxas RC cars by examining type, build quality, control layout, and overall value, helping you find the perfect model that fits your skill level and excitement needs.
Product number 1. 3 King RC Stunt Cars Remote Control Car. The 3 King RC Stunt Car is a versatile choice for both beginners and seasoned drivers. Its standout feature is the 360-degree flip and spin capability, allowing for thrilling stunts and dynamic driving experiences. Built with durable ABS material, it can withstand bumps, crashes, and rough surfaces, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. The responsive remote control ensures smooth handling with intuitive directional buttons, providing precise maneuvering during stunts. Lightweight yet sturdy, this RC car combines fun and durability without compromising on speed. Its rechargeable battery supports long play sessions, and the simple assembly means you can start driving almost immediately. For its price, the 3 King RC Stunt Car delivers a fantastic balance of entertainment, reliability, and performance, making it an excellent entry-level option for stunt enthusiasts.
Product number 2. High-boxing 1/18 scale all-terrain RC car 18859. The high-boxing 1/18 scale all-terrain RC car 18859 is engineered for off-road adventure. With a rugged suspension system and oversized tires, it handles dirt, gravel, grass, and pavement effortlessly. Its high-torque motor provides consistent speed and power, ensuring stability across diverse terrains. The sturdy ABS plastic body offers impact resistance, making it a durable choice for long-term use. The ergonomic remote control allows smooth acceleration, braking, and turning, giving drivers precise handling even at higher speeds. Lightweight yet robust, this RC car is perfect for both kids and adults who enjoy challenging outdoor tracks. The rechargeable battery offers sufficient runtime for extended play, while its compact scale makes it easy to store and transport. Overall, the high-boxing 18859 delivers excellent value for enthusiasts seeking an all-terrain RC vehicle.
Product number 3. The Hypergo H16BM RC car is designed for high-speed fun and responsive control. Its sleek design houses a powerful electric motor capable of fast acceleration and agile turns. Constructed from durable plastic, it resists scratches and minor impacts, ensuring longevity even during frequent play. The car excels on smooth surfaces, delivering precise handling through a well-calibrated remote controller with simple yet effective controls. Its compact size allows indoor racing without sacrificing performance, while the rechargeable battery offers consistent power for extended sessions. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, the H16BM is perfect for hobbyists who want speed and reliability in one package. Its affordability and high build quality make it an excellent option for both beginner and intermediate RC enthusiasts seeking thrilling performance.
Product number 4. Q&Retta Remote Control Car. The Q&Retta Remote Control Car is a versatile RC vehicle that balances speed, durability, and entertainment. Built with shock-resistant ABS material, it handles bumps and rough terrain with ease, making it suitable for outdoor adventures. Its dual motor system offers high-speed performance while maintaining stability, giving drivers precise control over turns and acceleration. The intuitive 2.4 GHz remote provides smooth responsiveness, reducing lag and improving maneuverability. With a rechargeable battery that supports extended play, this car ensures long hours of racing excitement. Compact, lightweight, and robust, the Q&Retta RC car is ideal for hobbyists of all ages.
Its combination of speed, durability, and value makes it a strong contender among mid-range RC vehicles, perfect for those seeking consistent performance without a premium price tag.
Product number 5. Traxxas 1/10 Fiesta ST VXL Brushless AWD Rally Car. The Traxxas 1/10 Fiesta ST VXL Brushless AWD Rally Car is the ultimate RC experience for serious enthusiasts. Featuring all-wheel drive and a brushless motor, it delivers blistering speed, precise control, and superior handling on any surface. Its high-strength chassis and durable composite body absorb impacts and crashes, making it perfect for high-speed racing and off-road conditions. The advanced TQI remote system allows for customizable driving profiles, fine-tuned acceleration, and responsive braking. With a long-lasting rechargeable battery, the Fiesta ST VXL offers extended racing sessions and consistent performance. Its professional-grade engineering and performance-oriented features place it above most competitors, making it ideal for hobbyists seeking a serious, high-performance RC car that combines durability, speed, and advanced control systems.